Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to represent you this fancy little machine. It is the CtC or Riverside 3D SLA printer. And today I'm going to be telling you something not so nice things about this machine. And I really do not recommend to buy this machine, because this machine is not very qualitative good. At first you can maybe see here at the end of this box above this machine, it doesn't really fit onto the machine. So you have very much space around and that it doesn't really fit. So if you put off the box, you can see here the Z-axis, and that is the second thing I don't like about this printer, and which affects also prints. You can really easily move the Z-axis head. You can put it off, you can look onto this plate, but it doesn't perfectly fit on the Z-axis, so you have very much space. You can move it around here. The fourth thing I didn't like about this printer was the first thing I've seen after putting this getting this out of the box. You can see, or maybe not see, its little screws here at the bottom of the machine. None of the screws have been tightened. Everything was, yeah, you could move every part on this printer. And the biggest problem I have with this printer, I can't get successful prints. I have calibrated this printer and it took me about half an hour or hour to calibrate it perfectly. And my problem is when I print out prints or try to print prints, the prints doesn't stick to the Z-axis build plate. If you can see here, the bottom of this box of the UV resin has lots of damages, and here there's a plastic thing. The problem is that I can't get the laser doesn't laser the objects onto the plate and the Z-axis. It lasers it at the bottom of this box here, and you can see the last object here. And when scraping these things off, you damage the silicon gel on the bottom of the bottom of the box, and you can't print anymore on this place where it damaged the silicon gel. One of the things I really hate about this machine is the software. The software isn't a real software made for this printer. It is it is a modified software of Cura from Ultimaker, and I don't know, or you don't know, onto the slice you can pull or drag things in and out, and you don't know in the software where's front, where's the back, where's left and right. So for example, you see the slicing bed and you put a thing at the front left, and if you print it out, it prints out at the back right. So the slicing software is very shit, I could say. I bought this printer because I already own the CtC 3D printer without SLA, normal plastic printer, and I thought, well, maybe the SLA printer, the copy of the Formlabs Form 1 Plus, couldn't be so bad, so bought it. But I'm going to send this back because I'm so unhappy with this machine. Yes, I hope I could help you with deciding buying this printer, but I don't really recommend it. I'd say don't buy this printer. You will just have lots of problems. If they make another machine, better machine, an improved machine, I'd buy it. But I only bought it because it cost about 700 euros, so about $900. But that's it. I have 2 successful prints. I can show you one here. Is the focus right? Yeah, you can see it's a 3D knot. Most of you know the 3D knot who have to do with 3D printers. This object is very fine, but it's one of 2 objects which worked with this printer. But now it doesn't work anymore, so I'm going to send it back. Well, thank you for watching, and we're going to see another video. Bye.